I'll show you how to make this. Add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. You'll need 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Then add in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. This will make the chicken really nice and brown. 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning. Add in a few dashes of black pepper, followed by a few dashes of salt. Then combine everything together. Then lay a sheet of foil and butter your pan. Then lay the chicken wings on the pan and coat it with the leftover sauce. Then place it in the oven and bake for 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 28 minutes. Look how nice and juicy they look. So delicious. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now. See you next time.